Just going to do a quick walkthrough of my Canvas page. Here's the home page, and if we go to the modules, go to the next module, you're going to see my About Me page. Basically, meet the teacher. Just some fun, cute stuff, a couple pictures. And then this is where I incorporated one of the resources from my presentation earlier in the semester. There's going to be a link to this website. An activity combines them getting to introduce themselves and just learning something new. All the excitement of our first day. And then here, there's a link to the Nearpod. And we could actually go right here and take a look at that. Oh goodness. So here's just has the standards and just an introduction, and each of these different slides connects a different aspect of Nearpod with the core standard. And a lot of these lesson ideas and resources I actually got from UEN and some of the stuff and resources that they have available. Alright, and overall, there's just a few things we've got with reading, kind of just a Mod Podge overall, and we've got a page. We've got quizzes, got different types of media, also discussion, quiz that was embedded in the other module. This is the social media assignment. In the other module with reading, we've got another just regular Canvas quiz as well. Let's see here. It must be... I wasn't actually able to add it here, but here it is. And so this is in preparation, almost perfect and ready for a class. Great start. Thank you so much for everything that I've learned, and just for being able to have the opportunity to be exposed to these resources. It's going to be amazing.